Students, today we are going to study chapter number 8, which was already going on, human health and disease, and the topic of our today's discussion is drug and alcohol abuse. There are several kind of drugs a person uses, and according to our book, the first one is opioid. The example of opioid is heroin. You all have heard in many movies and news about heroin. It is taken by smacking. It is a smack. The chemical structure of heroin is diacetyl morphine. It looks like this. It is bitter in taste, white in color, and odorless crystalline compound. It is obtained by the acetylation of morphine and taken by snorting, like by nose, and also by injection. It acts as a depressant and slows down the body functioning. The another drug is cannabinoid. The, the cannabinoid interacts with the receptors of the brain. The chemical produced by the cannabinoid interact with the receptor of the brain. The natural cannabinoid is obtained from the inflorescence of the cannabis sativa. This is how the cannabis sativa plant look alike. And the chemical structure of cannabinoids is this. They are taken by inhalation or oral ingestion, and it affects the cardiovascular system of the body. The major example of cannabinoids is marijuana, hashish, ganja, and caras. And they are produced by various combination of the flower tops, leaves, raisins of cannabis plant. Usually many sports persons are caught using cannabinoids. After cannabinoid, we have coca alcohol, also known as cocaine. Cocaine is a coke. It also known as crack erythroxylone coca. It interferes with the transport of neurotransmitter and the hormone dopamine, which is a excitation hormone. It is taken by smoking, and it stimulates the central nervous system and induce euphoria and increase energy. And high dosage produces hallucination, like a person is able to feel which is not even happening. Another, we have hallucinogens. They are produced by the plants like L-tropha, belladonna, and datura species, and they are hallucinogenic in nature. They are obtained from fungus, and they are LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide. This is the chemical from produced by these plant are obtained in these hallucinogens. So they are obtained from the fungus, barbiturates, amphetamines, benzodiazepines, and they also treat mental illness like depression and insomnia. The another is alcohol. We all are very much known to this. Alcohol is a depressant. It directly affects the central nervous system, and regular intaker leads to the liver damage, or this process is known as cirrhosis. So we should not use these drugs as they are very dangerous for our health. Now, something about drugs. Drugs are the chemical substance which biologically affect humans as well as animals. So, as we have studied the common drugs, opioid, cannabinoids, coca, alkaloids. Proper education and guidance should be given to the youth to safeguard themselves against the dangerous behavior and the pattern of healthy lifestyles. Now, adolescence. Adolescence described as the teenage year between 12 to 19. A person of age 12 to 19 is known to be an adolescent stage, and it is considered as a transitional stage from childhood to adulthood. In adolescence, it is the time for both disorientation and discovery. This is the transitional period which brings up the issue of independence among the youngsters, self identity, and many adolescents and their peer face tough choices regarding the schoolwork, drugs, alcohol, and social life. So, in order to deal with it, the proper guidance should be given to the student by their parents as well as their teachers. In this stage of life, a person becomes very vulnerable towards the mental and physiological development of an individual. And this age directs an individual to the drug abuse as they become very curious and the need for adventure and excitement. They wants to try new things, and first use of drug and alcohol may be out of curiosity and experimentation, and afterward it becomes a regular habit of the person. So this is the very critical stage of a person's life. Now, how the addiction and independent dependence upon the drug happen? This just because of the curiosity, need of the adventure by the friends, excitement and experimentation to the life. So in order to deal with such things, the family has to be very supportive, and a proper guidance should be given to the person. Effect of drugs. If a person is a regular taker of drug, the behavior of the person become reckless, they become violent in nature, and excessive dosage of drug intake leads to severe diseases like hemorrhage, respiratory disorder, heart failure. And most common warning signal of the alcohol and the drug abuse includes drop in academic performance, lack of interest in personal hygiene, withdrawal and isolation from family as well as friends, aggressive or rebellious behavior, lack of interest in hobbies, change in sleeping and eating habits, and fluctuation in body weight. And overall, the body become unhealthy. Now, the prevention and control. To prevent such habits, there should not be undue peer pressure by the parents upon the children due to their education. A proper counseling should be faced or given to the child, and parents plays a major role. So this is all about drug abuse. Thank you.